Everyone loves traveling, but I think most of us can agree that packing can be a hassle. Figuring out what to pack is hard enough, but getting it all to fit in our luggage can be a whole other challenge. Thankfully, quality packing cubes are on the rise, and they make packing easier and more efficient for all of us. There are many products available to choose from best packing cubes for travel, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best packing cubes for travel from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Shackpack Packing Cubes. Shackpack packing cubes are the ultimate choice for any vacation. They're perfect whether you're going on a luxury vacation or going camping. Also, because they're made with a high-quality durable water-resistant nylon material, they're the best packing cubes for backpacking, as your clothes will stay protected even if it rains. Along with the 4 packing cubes, a convenient laundry bag is included, so you can keep your dirty clothes separate. With all the cubes being 4 inches deep, you'll have plenty of space to pack everything you need, while comfortably fitting the cubes in your travel backpack or luggage. The netting on these mesh packing cubes means you can look for your items without having to unload the whole cube. Considering all they have to offer, there's no wonder Shackpack packing cubes are the best packing cubes for travel. Number 2. Bigo Packing Cubes. Bigo has done its best to eliminate all of your travel woes. Not only do you get 4 cubes, but you also get 6 reusable plastic bags to keep your liquids and other products sealed. Another thing that makes Bigo Packing Cubes some of the best travel organizers is that you can get your cubes in 4 different colors. If, for example, you're spending a weekend in New York City, then each member of the family can put their clothes in a different cube. Bigo Packing Cubes truly simplify packing and traveling. Number 3. Amazon Basics 4-piece Packing Cube Set. Versatility is at its finest with these travel packing cells. Not only will you get a standard small, medium, and large cube, but Amazon Basics also includes a slim cube for convenience in packing things like your chargers and travel umbrella. They've even designed the material to be quick drying and protect against wrinkles, so when you arrive at your destination, ironing isn't inevitable. The materials are high quality, and the cubes are flexible, so they're an ideal option for organizing backpacks, and also for business travelers, because of the anti-wrinkle material. Packing is super simple with the Amazon Basics 4-piece Packing Cube Set. Number 4. Abags Packing Cubes. Abags make packing, unpacking, and repacking simpler than you ever thought they could be. 3 different size cubes have been constructed with breathable nylon, mesh tops, and premium zippers for total durability. Easily categorize your clothes when you pack them and then store them in your hotel drawers when you arrive, so you don't have to live out of your suitcase. You'll be amazed by how much you can pack in these cubes, and how easily they'll fit in your luggage. The days of digging around in your luggage to find that top you know you packed are long gone, thanks to Abags Packing Cubes. Number 5. GoNext Travel Packing Cubes. These are some of the best packing cubes money can buy. GoNext cubes come with 5 cubes and 1 laundry bag in a variety of fun colors. In case you're an overpacker and your luggage is overweight, it's super easy to take one of the bags out and carry it with you. Their mesh panels make them breathable while also letting you identify items without having to unpack the cube. The small details they've included, like the double-way zippers and webbing handles, are thoughtful additions that make traveling more convenient. After your first time trying them, we're sure you'll agree that GoNext Travel Packing Cubes are some of the best travel organizers on the market. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.